world of modern coin collecting holds incredible hidden treasures that most everyday people completely overlook while spending their pocket change. If you happen to check your loose change right now, you might actually be holding a piece of valuable American history without even realizing it. Among the most fascinating pieces to examine is the famous 2006 United States quarter, dedicated entirely to the beautiful state of Colorado. This particular coin was issued as the 38th installment in the wildly popular 50-state quarters program that captivated millions of collectors worldwide. While hundreds of millions of these pocket pieces were struck for general circulation, a select few possess extraordinary characteristics that elevate them far beyond face value. Today, we are going to break down the exact visual markers, condition requirements, and mint errors that separate ordinary change from a true numismatic masterpiece. You will learn precisely what to look for on both sides of this coin, so you never accidentally spend a massive fortune at the grocery store. The obverse side of this striking coin features the familiar and classic portrait of the first United States President George Washington facing toward the left edge. This modified design was beautifully adapted specifically for the State Quarters series to allow maximum room for historical inscriptions on the surrounding metal surfaces. Right next to the lower right side of Washington's profile, you will notice a tiny capital letter representing the specific mint facility where it was struck. For this exact specimen, the letter D signifies that the coin was produced at the historic Denver Mint facility located in Colorado's neighboring state. Collectors must examine this area with a magnifying glass to ensure the letter is crisp, well-defined, and completely free of any structural metal anomalies. Beyond the mint mark, the words "Liberty" and "In God We Trust" are perfectly arranged to frame the iconic president in a highly dignified presentation. Understanding these basic front design elements is absolutely essential before diving into the complex reverse features, where the real hidden value truly begins. Turning the coin over reveals a breathtaking and rugged landscape design that honors the natural geographical majesty of the great, colorful state of Colorado. The central focal point of the reverse design depicts the massive and towering peaks of Long's Peak, one of the most famous mountains in America. Beautiful rows of native evergreen trees perfectly frame the lower left side of the mountain scenery, creating an incredible depth of field for a tiny coin. A delicate scrolling banner stretches across the lower portion of the design, proudly displaying the inspirational phrase turned inward toward the mountains. At the very top of the reverse rim, the state name Colorado is boldly inscribed right above the historic year of 1876. The year 1876 represents the exact historical date when Colorado was officially admitted into the Union as the 38th state of America. Finally, the year 2006 is stamped cleanly at the very bottom rim, marking the actual time this coin was struck. When evaluating the potential market value of this historic coin, the single most critical factor that professional experts look at is the exact physical condition. Coins are graded on a highly precise universal scale, ranging from a baseline of 1 all the way up to a flawless grade of 70. The vast majority of these quarters found in ordinary pocket change have been heavily circulated, leaving them scratched, worn, and worth only 25 cents. However, if a specimen was preserved immediately after minting and never entered public circulation, it is classified by professionals as a pristine mint state coin. A mint state coin must retain its original brilliant luster, showing absolutely zero signs of wear on the highest points of the mountain peaks. Even the tiniest contact marks from colliding with other coins in canvas bags at the mint can dramatically lower the final grade and value. Finding a specimen that has miraculously avoided any surface imperfections for 2 decades is an incredibly rare feat that drives collector demand. The absolute pinnacle of coin collecting involves tracking down legendary specimens that have achieved the near impossible grade of mint state 69 or 70. In the highly competitive world of professional coin registry sets, elite collectors are willing to pay astronomical premiums for these top-graded museum pieces. A certified pristine specimen of this exact Denver Mint coin has reached shocking heights at elite public auctions, commanding a magnificent value of $61,500. This staggering $61,500 figure represents the extreme rarity of a coin existing in a state of absolute perfection. It is vital to understand that this incredible valuation is strictly reserved for coins officially authenticated and graded by major professional services. A typical coin found in a normal wallet will not achieve this value, but the mere existence of such treasures keeps collectors searching. Knowing that a quarter can potentially be worth $61,500 changes the way you look at money entirely. Aside from pristine condition grades, another fascinating avenue for discovering extreme value in these quarters is the presence of major minting errors. During the high-speed production process at the Denver Mint, immense pressure and mechanical wear can cause extraordinary anomalies on the steel dies. One of the most famous errors associated with the Colorado quarter is a distinct die chip anomaly known to collectors as the extra boulder. This specific variety features an unintended raised lump of solid metal appearing on the right side of the main mountain peak design. Another frequent occurrence involves heavy die deterioration, which creates a strange ghost-like doubling effect along the edges of the raised lettering. Collectors also use high-powered loops to inspect the inner loops of the letters for tiny metal chips that filled the dies during production. These striking visual errors turn an ordinary business strike quarter into a highly coveted rarity that collectors will fiercely compete for. To properly inspect your own change for these high-value characteristics, you need to follow a very specific and careful examination protocol at home. First, ensure you are working under a bright, direct light source and utilizing a magnifying coin loop of at least 10 times power. Look very closely at the sharp edges of the mountain peaks on the reverse side to detect any unusual raised lines of stray metal. Next, turn the coin slowly under the light to check if the original factory shine, known as cartwheel luster, is completely intact. Pay special attention to the word colorful on the banner to see if any letters are deformed or filled with extra metal. You must also inspect the entire outer rim of the coin to ensure the copper-nickel cladding layer is perfectly centered and aligned. If you spot anything unusual, avoid cleaning the coin with any chemicals, as cleaning permanently destroys numismatic value instantly. The reason why these specific state quarters continue to hold such a powerful grip on the public imagination is their incredible historical accessibility. Unlike ancient gold coins that are locked away in museum vaults, these modern treasures were distributed directly into the hands of ordinary working citizens. Anyone of any age can start a highly rewarding hobby simply by paying close attention to the coins they receive as everyday change. The thrill of the hunt lies in the fact that a true masterpiece could be sitting quietly in a jar on your dresser. Every time you glance past a coin without looking, you might be missing out on a significant piece of hidden wealth. By educating yourself on these precise visual markers, you transform a mundane transaction into an exciting treasure hunt with every single coin. Keep your eyes sharp, inspect every coin diligently, and always look closely at the details before passing them along. As we conclude this deep dive into the fascinating secrets of the American currency system, the message is incredibly clear for everyone watching. Never underestimate the power of the change sitting in your car cup holder, your pocket, or tucked away beneath your couch cushions. The next time you receive a quarter from a local shop, take just 5 seconds to flip it over and inspect the peaks. You now possess the exact knowledge required to spot a rare mint state specimen or a highly valuable die variety with ease. If you found this coin breakdown helpful, make sure to save this information for the next time you sort through your savings. Share your own coin hunting discoveries with the community and let us know if you have ever spotted an extra boulder error. Thank you for watching today, and may your next look through your loose change bring you an incredible numismatic discovery.